Welcome, future millionaires and billionaires. Today I have some very good information for you guys. And guys, don't forget to, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Telegram so you are aware on when VisionaryDeFi get launched. Today's video is a part 2 on how to avoid crypto scams, guys. I made a previous video. It's on the channel on how to avoid scams. That was part 1. This is part 2. Part 1 had to do with the physical aspect of how to check physically on like Etherscan projects and how to avoid getting scams physically. So this video is more of a psychological video. It's more of understanding the human mind, the human psyche, so you can avoid scams. So if you understand human behavior and you understand how people think, then you can avoid a lot of scams before they begin. I made a few notes, guys, so I can stay on topic because my mind always runs faster than my mouth can keep up. So like I said, guys, if you haven't seen the previous video, which is part 1, how to avoid scams, go ahead and check that one out. So this is how, whenever someone creates cryptos, guys, this part is gonna show you how easily it is for them to deceive you, especially if they're good, if they understand marketing. So a lot of crypto projects hide behind professionalism. So if you for example, if you see a crypto that is trying too hard to look professional, then most likely it is a scam, because this is where people hide the truth. The truth is hidden behind professionalism. So they try to look professional, so they keep their eye, so they steer the eyes away from themselves. So like if I'm, for example, if I'm going to create a cryptocurrency, right, and I want to scam a lot of people, what's the best way to go about scamming people? Is for me to look professional, and for the cryptocurrency, not just the cryptocurrency has to look professional, but the people behind it, if they don't, for example, you will never see like a crypto that's trying to be professional come out and make videos like this with the shirt off and exposing themselves and become vulnerable. You will never see that. If someone is trying to scam you, they're going to put a nice suit on. They're going to present themselves the best way they can to try to trick you, thinking that they are legit. So it has to do with reverse psychology. So look out for that. A lot of them will hide behind professionalism, and they will mask and hide their true identity. And for me, when I'm hearing someone speak, I can hear the deception in their voice. I can hear the lies in their voice, and I can watch their body language, and I can determine if they are lying to me. So that, I know a lot of people does not have that ability, because that is something that has to be learned and practiced before you can detect those things. One thing, I'm gonna share some keywords with you guys on what to look for whenever you're watching an AMA or the devs or anyone behind the project speak these words. You have to be very cautious, because most likely you will be deceived or you will get scammed. So whenever someone start any sentence with let's say Okay, whenever someone start any sentence with to be honest, or let's be honest, that is the subconscious mind trying to get you. I'm losing my train of thought. Let's go back to this is why I said I write the notes, guys, because my mind is running too quickly than my mouth can keep up. So before I get to the keywords that I'm going to share with you guys to look out for, whenever you hear someone, let's say for example, if someone begins a sentence, and like I said, guys, I don't edit on here because not only like I said, if I'm gonna say something, then I'm gonna show you my true self, my vulnerability, and also I don't have the time to edit. It's very tedious. So all the bloopers, you will see them. Okay, whenever you hear someone begin a sentence and then they go back, let's say if they say something and then they quickly change the word, they say I mean, or let's say if they begin to say something and they say, for example, I have to give you an example here. Let's say I saw a blue light, and then I go back and say I mean I saw a red light. You have to believe the first word they say, because that is the subconscious mind running on autopilot. And whenever the person is not conscious and aware of what they are saying, they will sometimes let out a little truth. So that is the subconscious mind running on autopilot. So you have to believe the first thing they say. If they say something and then they go back and say I mean, the word I mean, don't believe anything they say after that. Believe what they previously said before they changed it. Because a lot of people, they're not even aware of what they're saying, and they just blurt out things. That is the subconscious mind running on autopilot, guys. Believe the subconscious. The subconscious doesn't lie. This is how you're able to detect lies and truth from anyone. Because for me, if I'm speaking to someone, I don't even listen to what they're saying. I bypass them, which is which is their self, which is the conscious mind. Then I go straight directly to the subconscious mind, and I communicate with the subconscious mind, and I find the truth. And these are the keywords, because like I said, guys, the keywords I'm going to share with you, you're going to hear them a lot in the crypto space, because a lot of people are not honest. A lot of people will, especially when it involves money, guys, a lot of people will not tell you the truth. A lot of people will try to deceive you. And whenever one keyword is, whenever you hear someone say trust me, guys, before they begin any sentence, be very careful, because the subconscious is telling you that this person has a habit of being deceptive. The person has a habit of lying to people. So when they begin the sentence with trust me, that is them pleading for approval, or pleading to you that to trust them, because the subconscious doesn't lie, guys. The subconscious is warning you that this person has a habit of lying. By them saying trust me, that's a keyword to look out for. And many other keywords to look out for, guys, is when they begin sentence with to be honest, and let's be honest, or let's be real, or in honesty. And everything they say after that, guys, is most likely going to be a lie or truth mixed with in lies. Because if someone say let's be honest or to be honest, anything they've said before that is a lie. That is the subconscious mind telling you everything they said before they said to be honest is a lie, because as soon as they say to be honest or let's be honest, that is them telling you from this point on forward, I am going to be honest with you. That means anything they've said prior is a lie. So look out for these keywords. And other keywords to look out for is I think whenever they say something, and for example, if they are speaking about their project, let's say if you ask them a question and they begin the response with I think, that means they are not confident in their project. So be careful when investing into the project. Instead, they should say I will or it will. That is confidence, guys. If they say I think, then they are not confident in their project. So be careful in investing in those projects. Or another keyword is it should. When they are referring to the project in any regards, if you hear the word it should, be careful and be wary of the project itself, because there's a lack of confidence and most likely it might be a scam, guys. So instead, look out for this word is it will. When they are regarding to the project, instead of it should be it will, because that is confidence. That is the subconscious mind telling you that this person is assured of themselves, they are assured of the project, and this is the type of project you should be investing in, guys. Because most of the times there's too many scams going on, guys. You have to be able to understand the human psyche, the human mind, to understand. That is why most devs, if they don't show their faces and if they don't present themselves in the AMA, don't even bother investing early in the project, guys, because they are hiding for a reason. Not only that, because they understand sometimes, even if they don't understand it, the subconscious mind understands this. There are people like me that can read body language, that can read them, because I can begin to communicate with a person and I will know more about that person than they know about themselves, because I'm able to read the subconscious mind. I'm able to communicate with the subconscious mind. I can read the body language and I can hear the lies and deception in their voice before they even utter a lie to me. So this is what to look out for, guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe if you are new to the channel, guys. In this channel, we share knowledge, information with you to protect you and your assets. And if you are new, join the Telegram so you are aware when VisionaryDeFi do get launched. The next video, guys, is another interesting video. So it's gonna be I'm gonna give you an idea of what it's about. The title is gonna be why crypto projects fail. So you can kind of get an idea of what to look for before getting into any crypto. Guys, the goal on this channel here is to help you become a millionaire and a billionaire this year. And in order for you to do that, you have to stay away from scams, guys. So until the next times, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.